something happened. Something interesting happened. I called up a couple of my attorney friends. I said, John, can I use the old law office as the address for the nonprofit?
Yeah.
They said, of course you can, Kim. What's it going to do? I told them. They said, you know what? I can't afford to have my name on a government watch list.
Yeah.
I was shocked.
Yeah.
And I found person after person I talked to attorneys, not conspiracy theorists, were becoming afraid of their own government.
Yeah.
And it shocked me.
Yeah.
And I decided, we're going to take this in a different direction. We're going to begin opening up chapters in every congressional district in this country. And we're going to carry the message to our congressmen. This isn't right. You have failed. Many of these congressmen, I shouldn't say all of them, many of them have failed at their most basic responsibility to defend the oath that they swore to protect and defend our Constitution. And instead, they're selling us out for expediency, selling my children into what I see as a mass slavery. So that's what it's about.
Okay, what is your organization?
It's the Constitutional Rights Association.
And you are?
I'm Kim Thompson, and as far as I know, we're the only or the first nonprofit organization set up specifically to try and stop NSA mass surveillance, and to do it within the system, to do it through educating the public about the realities of these programs, and to carry the message to our elected representatives that this is not right. This is really fundamentally un-American and unconstitutional.
And do you have a website?
Yes, it's constitutionalrightsassociation.org.
Okay, and are you based in San Francisco?
No, we're actually based in Michigan.
In Michigan? Where in Michigan?
We're actually out of East Lansing, Michigan.
Okay.
Right across the street from Michigan State University. And we intend to take this message to the campus at Michigan State University and spread it from there to every campus in this country.
That's fantastic. The University of Michigan is my alma mater. I know Lansing well as well. And you are an attorney.
Yes.
And do you feel that for people like your attorney friend who was afraid that transparency and being in a group may protect him?
Yes, absolutely. Transparency will protect him. In fact, the truth is, there isn't any evidence that this data is being misused at this point. But the fact that it's being collected is intimidating people. That by itself, even if the data is never abused, it's never misused, will change America and will destroy democracy here. But who knows, and when this data is being stored permanently, who knows who will be in the government 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and everything we've ever said will be keyword indexed and searchable. It's a situation that's intolerable for any democracy, but very comfortable for a totalitarian state.
Yes, and it does have a tipping point. Once we get past a certain point, we cannot change it. They will have access to everything. Absolutely everything.
That's right.
So you agree with that?
Yes, and those few of us who see that, we need to be out there explaining that to our fellow citizens. This is still a democracy. At this point, year 2013, we can turn this around by working within the system. This is a mainstream movement. The radicals are the ones that want to abolish the U.S. Constitution, that want to ignore the Constitution. They're the radicals.
Yes.
We're the voice of civility. We're the voice of reason.
Okay, now do you have an email where people can contact you, or can I get this off camera from you?
Certainly.
I get this.
I'll give you a card.
I think this is fantastic.
Thank you so much.
I'm saying, did you come all the way from Michigan for this?
Yes, we did.
How many of you came?
5 of us.
From the organization?
Yes.
Thank you so much for talking to me. I will put this